Dinker, your hair is too long. It's time to get a cut.
No!
You will do it or no Roblox. She doesn't know that I also play Fortnite. Okay, no Roblox.
Huh?
No internet for a month.
What?
That wasn't part of the deal. Get your butt in that car now.
A few moments later.
How do you want your haircut, young man? Give me an anime hairstyle, main character vibes. Okay, that will be $200.
What?
Give him the dollar store special.
Huh?
Ooh, this looks spicy. Oh my God, Dinker, you look so cute. What did you do to me, woman? Like and subscribe if you've had a bad haircut.